want to sin, I see desire, let's get me high. I wanna touch, I wanna feel the warmth of her skin and body. All of her is like a fire that can be seen obviously through her dance to the higher. The second look is the kill. Now you burn to the heart, just like a spell that haven't caused here. By the fire in her eyes, fire in her eyes. She was my everything. She was the only one and the only thing that made me think of love. She was my best friend and never pretending that till the end. She had fire in her eyes, fire in her eyes. Then it seems that you like it, starting to think if you're still sane, it drinking through an illusion you can't see through. But when I keep into you, first the change is progressive, even more addictive. Rather than passive, it became aggressive. You were lost in your pain, as you see how force it became. But you know it's too late as you're already drowning into the fire in her eyes, fire in her eyes. She says I'm no more the same. She says she's the one to blame. She took desire for friendship and that thing called lust for love. She let herself be burned by her own raging fire. She was my everything.